How about we do a 24-hour challenge?
Where we do one thing for 24 hours straight?
Yeah.
Can I pick what we do?
Well, I don't know. It's almost your birthday, so of course you can pick what we do.
Okay, let's do a no talking challenge.
No talking challenge. Okay, no talking for 24 hours starting now. Boom!
Boom.
Yeah, I needed a way to make it feel official that we were starting. But you just talked.
So did you.
True.
Okay.
Okay.
New challenge.
Yes, new challenge.
No phone.
Ooh.
Starting now.
Okay.
Boom.
Boom. Hey, you hungry? You want to order pizza?
Half pepperoni, half anchovy. You did that on purpose. I know you did.
I really did it.
So worth it.
Totally worth it.